Oh my god. Finally, I've always wanted a setup exactly like this. A camera where I can just see myself. Now, that sounds narcissistic, but it's so much easier to control this thing. Oh my god. It doesn't dim down when I'm shooting 4K. It has unlimited record time until your battery dies out or you have no space on your SD card. And you can see yourself. This flip up screen is just amazing. Like, I can adjust audio if there's something wrong, if I'm not in focus, I can see it right now. Oh my god, like, so I currently have my Xeon Crane V2 in here. This is one of the cheapest gimbals out right now. And I don't have to invest in anything super expensive. The fact that it's an APS-C lens, APS-C camera, it's actually freaking amazing. This is honestly by far my favorite camera out now. I have full frame cameras down here. I have a Sony a7 Mark II and a Sony a7 Mark I. And I've owned a Sony a7 Mark III. And by far, this camera right here just makes me the happiest. Like, it's amazing with a gimbal. You don't have that much shutter. It's not that jello-y. Oh my god. It's actually amazing. This is how it is close up. Okay, I'm shooting at 10mm at 4K. So I think there is a slight crop. But if I go at 18mm, it's still quite wide. Like, I'd be holding it like this. This is my distance with my arm. Even if I have like a stand, like, oh my god. I'm actually so happy with this purchase. Alright, I'm just gonna end the video now.